this video I show you how to flood test to be sure there are no leaks in your shower, and how to install a large format tile on a shower floor with a linear drain, step by step. Okay, so today just gotta flood test the shower, make sure there's no leaks. So I put a test plug in, and then I put some water in the bottom to make sure that the test plug is holding. I give that about an hour, and then I'm gonna fill this with water and mark the level, let it sit for 24 hours. Okay, so I've got the water in there, got my yard in there. Now I'm gonna mark the level. Got the level marked. Come back in 24 hours. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. The water level is perfectly fine. Let's drain it and start tiling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, so this is the tile that's going in here. It's going to be one piece in the middle and one piece on either side. And we're going to have the tile with drain grate goes in there. The tile on that is going to be one piece. Then we're going to have a piece over here and a piece over there. So this gets cut in later. But you use, this comes with the drain grate, you put those in there, you cut your tile to this plastic block, and that gives you the exact width for the drain opening. Now I'm going to cut this piece and that piece. Okay, so I got those 3 pieces cut. I'm going to work on the piece for the drain, but I'm not going to cut it exactly to size. I'm going to cut it oversized. That way I can adjust the gap to the wall afterwards. Okay, so that's done.